What in middle of the sex would turn you off the most? People disturbing, phone calls. Arey, but fuck the phone calls. What about him? What he does? Stop. If you stop. We don't really end up talking about this, so not a lot of people are aware of this. But we would like to know what Indian girls really like. Like, what kind of sex do you really like?
Wild. Why? If you're doing it the first time, I assume it has to be gentle and slow. Afterwards, you can do whatever you want, right?
I think they prefer to be more dominant. Like I prefer to be more dominant in bed. So yeah, like totally dominant.
It should not be like too hardcore, but something which gives the pleasure to the girl. Maybe that's what I think.
I'm rough.
Rough. Okay, can you elaborate your rough?
Being more sexually active, being more hard on the person. I like it quick. I think the quick one. Non-stop.
Non-stop. Oh my god, it should be very productive, huh?
Productive. Don't waste time. Just do it.
Passionate for me because I think that's important. Like, it's not about just having sex, it's about making love. So I think passion really like gets you in.
So we watch a lot of porn, okay? So you see what happens in porn basically. Something what you watch in porn that would interest you to do it in bed with him.
So I believe in the whole concept of experimenting. So that is what I do with my body and my partner's body. I believe in like experimenting because porn will just show me stuff, right? Doing it like practically is what I need to think about. Yeah.
The doggy style, basically. And yeah, I'm obsessed with the doggy style. Like totally obsessed with it. Okay. And the blindfold one, that's kind of romantic.
It's too fake. Too fake? Porn. Like, come on, that does not happen in reality, whoever's living. So, role play? Which part of the body do you like him to touch you the most? Like, what will arouse you the most? Which part of the body?
I'm too ticklish. So if someone touches me and like feels me and licks my neck and all that, it really turns.
Boobs.
The neck, yeah. Oh god, yes, the neck. And the back.
The neck is the key, guys. The neck is the key. My neck and I love starting with hickeys. And yeah.
I think neck would be better. Neck, yeah.
My thighs.
Okay. So, would you like to be sexually in charge in bed or you would prefer your partner being sexually more?
Sexually in charge in bed.
Like to be sexually in charge?
I would prefer my partner personally.
Like I don't mind like being in charge or making him in charge as long as I enjoy it.
Okay, nice. Balance. What about you?
I think anything's fine as long as you have fun. And I orgasm or he or whatever. So yeah.
Both. I think you should do it turn by turn. Like, then start off slow.
In a flow, mein what turn by turn? How will you tell?
Why will you stop just after one time? Like, obviously, you will not stop after one time, right? You will go on for like quite a bit time, right?
Best of both worlds. Sometimes me, sometimes him. What is that one thing that would turn you off while having sex?
No, not burp. Farted maybe. Farted and burp, both. One is from the mouth, one is from the ass.
No man, not burp is okay. Burp is totally normal.
Okay, the person saying I love you.
I think too much saliva. Excess amounts of saliva, yeah.
Someone knocking maybe because it's always like it's someone's place and then if someone is outside and they are like kitna time lagega andar bhai and it's like fuck off, do your own thing man.
You should not stop, just continue the bang.
So, what is that one thing you would never do sexually?
There's nothing that I wouldn't do. So I don't know. Maybe someday I find it, but yeah.
The anal one.
I have done everything.
Done everything. Okay, what about you?
Anal sex. I would never do it. No, man.
I'm not comfortable with BJ.
Teabagging.
Like whipping and all that. That is really like
Anal sex, no.
What do you prefer doing after having sex? With your partner.
Spending time. And like I would say more 2-3 times sex again after that.
So I'll go sleep.
Sleeping.
your energy is drained out. You want to sleep. Yeah, lying on the bed and just like having my no. I don't prefer to cuddle. So like him having his space, me having my own space, and just that.
All I do when smoke up, that's it, and get more stoned and get.
Why wouldn't you do that before?
Both, pre and a post thing.
Talk dirty, sexy. अच्छा ठीक है. Abuse me.
What category of porn do you watch?
Food sex. Hardcore. Hardcore as well. Yeah.